how to fix Windows or screen flickering issue in laptop. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your start menu and then search for device manager. The first option is to update your monitor driver. Go to monitor and then right click on it. Double click on your monitor, select your monitor and then right click on it. You will see an option of update driver. Now simply go to search for drivers and then see if you get any updates available. If you get any updates, simply update your monitor driver. Next is updating your graphics card. See what graphic you are using and then simply update your graphic card if necessary. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.